In this video, you will see how to configure auto download of update packages and receipt of recommendations from HPE. Log on to the Service Console as an admin user. Go to Actions and click on Edit SP Configuration. Select Support in the drop-down and enable the Show Advanced Settings option. Receive Update Recommendation parameter is used to obtain the update recommendations from HPE. Allow Software Downloads parameter is used to control the automatic download of update packages from HPE. These two parameters are enabled by default. You can disable the automatic download of update packages by disabling the Allow Software Downloads parameter. Note that only critical and recommended patches are downloaded automatically. Other packages can be downloaded manually. Array-specific recommendations and download packages from HPE are available for systems connected through RDA. After making your changes, click on OK. Thank you.